Hi, I'm Lori from the Concord Public Library. Today I'll be showing you how to bake bread using just 4 ingredients. Measure 1½ cups of flour, 3/4 of a cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of yeast, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt. For supplies, you'll need a bowl, spoon, and dish towel, a baking pan, and parchment paper or cornmeal to keep the dough from sticking, a serrated knife, and a spray bottle with fresh water. Combine the warm water, the yeast and salt, and the flour, and stir everything together. With this bread recipe, you don't need to knead the dough. Just mix everything together. After everything's combined, cover the bowl with the towel and let the dough rest for 2 hours. After 2 hours, it's time to shape the dough into a little round ball. Sprinkle some flour on top of the dough and scoop it out of the bowl. Sprinkle flour as needed to keep the dough from being too sticky. And while you do that, just gently shape it into a circle. You'll shape it into a ball by pinching the edges of the circle together. This pinched together side will be on the bottom. And just keep adding flour as needed. Put the dough on the pan and cover it with the dish towel and let it rest for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, sprinkle a little more flour on the dough and make 3 slashes on top with the serrated knife. Did you wonder what the spray bottle was for? I'll use this to make the outside of the bread nice and crunchy. Bake for 1 minute, then spray the bread with water. Repeat these steps 2 more times. Bake the bread at 450 degrees for 15 minutes. Doesn't this look great? If you're thinking this little bread loaf wouldn't be enough for your family, you can multiply the ingredients and make several loaves at once. This is also my go-to recipe for pizza crust. This recipe makes enough dough for 1 pizza. If you'd like to try more bread recipes, you might enjoy this book, Baking Artisan Bread, 10 Expert Formulas for Baking Better Bread at Home by Cyril Hitz. Or The Art of Baking Bread, What You Really Need to Know to Make Great Bread by Matt Pellegrini. Both of these titles are available on Hoopla, one of the digital resources available to Concord Public Library cardholders. Happy baking!